to start with unit number 13, page number 117 to 118. We are going to cover today environmental pollution. Before starting the chapter, first of all, I am going to give you an explanation about environment. So basically, your environment is everything that is around you, where you happen to be. If you look at this picture that is given, then you can see that everything that is around you, whether you have animals, you have plants, you have houses, the streets, schools, everything that is around an organism is known as its environment. The environment of all the living thing is the earth. So basically, our environment is the earth. The environment has an effect on all living things, and living things also have effect on the environment. So there is an exchange that is taking place. Environment affects our lives, and on the other hand, we also have impact on the environment. Here, to live a comfortable life, there are basic things that we need. We need food, water, clothes, and shelter. We also need heat, light, machine, roads, and hundreds of other things. There are five basic things that are our necessities, and we need them for our survival. Here, I am going to show you a video that is further going to explain you what is environment and what are the five basic things that we need to survive. For starting the chapter, first of all, I am going to give you a brief overview of the chapter. First of all, we are going to talk about environment. That what is environment? I am going to tell you about the definition of environment. Environment is everything around you. It can be your house, it can be your school, it can be the shops around you, or even the air you breathe in. When you talk about the word environment, our environment is the earth. Our environment is the earth. Earth basically consists of two things, living things and non-living things. Every living thing has its own environment. That means that every living thing has different conditions that it needs for its survival, for its living. So basically, when you talk about environment, we are going to talk about components of the environment. Component means basically the parts or the important things that the environment contains. When you talk about the components of environment, there are basically five components of the environment. They are water, air, minerals, light, and warmth.